A new era of connectivity is upon us with the arrival of 5G Advanced. The world of technology is on the cusp of a new era. 5G Advanced is here. It's more than just a speed upgrade, it's a giant leap forward. Imagine downloading a full-length movie in seconds. This is the power of 5G Advanced. It promises lightning-fast speeds. We're talking about 10 gigabits per second. That's 10 times faster than the fastest home internet speeds available today. But speed is just the beginning. 5G Advanced also boasts ultra-low latency, meaning almost instantaneous data transfer. Imagine a world with no lag in video calls and self-driving cars reacting in real time. This is the promise of ultra-low latency. The impact of 5G Advanced extends far beyond faster downloads. It has the potential to revolutionize industries like healthcare, transportation, and entertainment. 5G Advanced is not just an upgrade, it's a fundamental shift in how we connect and interact with the world. To understand the significance of 5G Advanced, we need to look back at its predecessor. 5G, when it launched, was revolutionary. It brought significant improvements over 4G, including faster speeds, lower latency, and greater network capacity. 5G paved the way for innovations. We saw the rise of the Internet of Things, and we experienced the potential of virtual and augmented reality. 5G laid the groundwork for a more connected world. 5G Advanced builds on this foundation, taking the capabilities of 5G to the next level. Think of it as 5G on steroids. It utilizes advanced technologies like massive MIMO and beamforming. These technologies optimize network performance, ensuring faster speeds and lower latency. 5G Advanced is not a replacement for 5G, it's an evolution. It represents the next stage in the development of cellular technology. The race to deploy 5G Advanced is on. Countries and companies worldwide are investing heavily, competing to be at the forefront of this technological revolution. South Korea is leading the charge. They were early adopters of 5G, and now are at the forefront of 5G Advanced deployment. Major South Korean telecom companies like SK Telecom and KT Corporation are leading the way. The United States is not far behind, with companies like Verizon and AT&T rapidly deploying 5G Advanced infrastructure. They are focusing on major cities first, with the goal to expand coverage nationwide in the coming years. China is also a major player in the 5G Advanced arena. Huawei, despite facing challenges, remains a key player, providing infrastructure and technology to a number of countries. Section 4, Transforming Industries. 5G Advanced in Action. The potential applications of 5G Advanced are vast and transformative. It's poised to revolutionize industries across the board. Let's take a look at some key sectors. Gaming. Imagine a world with no lag in online games. Imagine immersive virtual reality experiences. 5G Advanced makes this possible. Its ultra-low latency and high bandwidth are ideal for cloud gaming. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities for gamers. Smart Homes. 5G Advanced can transform our homes into truly smart homes. Imagine appliances that communicate seamlessly. Imagine a home security system that reacts in real time. 5G Advanced makes this possible. Its speed and reliability create a more connected and efficient home environment. Healthcare. 5G Advanced has the potential to revolutionize healthcare. Imagine remote surgeries performed with precision. Imagine real-time monitoring of patients' vital signs. 5G Advanced makes this possible. Its low latency and high bandwidth enable reliable and efficient communication between doctors and patients. These are just a few examples. The potential applications of 5G Advanced are limitless. Section 5. Overcoming the hurdles, infrastructure, and privacy concerns. The rollout of 5G Advanced is not without its challenges. There are significant hurdles to overcome. These range from infrastructure requirements to privacy concerns. Infrastructure. Deploying 5G Advanced requires substantial infrastructure investment. Telecom companies need to install new equipment. They need to build more cell towers. This is a costly and time-consuming process. Privacy. The increased data transmission capabilities of 5G Advanced raise privacy concerns. Critics argue that the technology could lead to more intrusive data collection. They worry about the potential for misuse of this data. Addressing these challenges is crucial. Governments and industry leaders need to work together. They need to find solutions that ensure the responsible and ethical deployment of 5G Advanced. Section 6. 5G Advanced, a catalyst for innovation and progress. Despite the challenges, the potential benefits of 5G Advanced are undeniable. It is a catalyst for innovation. It has the power to drive economic growth and societal progress. Imagine a world where self-driving cars are a reality. Imagine cities that are smarter, safer, and more efficient. Imagine a healthcare system that is more personalized and effective. 5G Advanced makes these possibilities attainable. The rollout of 5G Advanced is not just about faster internet. It's about creating a more connected and technologically advanced future. It's about unlocking new possibilities and improving the quality of life for people around the world. Section 7. The future unfolds with 5G Advanced. We are standing on the edge of a new technological frontier. 5G Advanced is not just an incremental upgrade, it is a paradigm shift. It is a fundamental change in how we connect and interact with the world around us. The future with 5G Advanced is filled with possibilities. As we continue to explore its potential, we can expect to see transformative changes in various sectors. From healthcare to transportation to entertainment, 5G Advanced will reshape our world in profound ways. The journey has just begun. As 5G Advanced becomes more widely available, we can expect to see a wave of innovation. The future is bright, and it is powered by 5G Advanced.